Do you really need AI skills to run a small business? The simple answer is no. You do not need to become an AI expert. You do not need to learn coding. And you certainly do not need to change your whole business overnight. But learning a few simple AI skills could save you time, reduce boring work, and help you make better decisions. Think of AI as a helper, not the boss. AI can help write emails, create social media ideas, answer simple questions, organize information, and even help you look at business numbers. But here is the important part. Start small. Do not try to use AI everywhere at once. Start with one job that takes up too much of your time. Maybe you spend an hour writing customer emails. Maybe you struggle to come up with ideas for Facebook posts. Or perhaps you spend too much time making notes, lists, or simple reports. Pick just one of those jobs. Then choose one simple AI tool and learn how to use it. You do not need 10 different AI programs. One good tool is enough to start. Next, learn how to ask clear questions. The clearer you are about what you want, the better the answer will normally be. For example, instead of saying, "Write me something about my business," try, "Write a short, friendly Facebook post explaining how my product saves customers time." That gives AI a much clearer job. But never forget this: AI can make mistakes. So before you use anything AI creates, do 3 easy checks. First, read everything before you send or publish it. Second, keep customer information private. Do not put passwords, bank details, or private customer information into an AI tool unless you know it is safe. Third, use AI on small jobs first. Do not hand control of your whole business over to a computer. Then, measure what happens. Did AI save you 30 minutes? Did it help you write a better email? Did it give you an idea you had not thought about? If it helped, keep using it. If it did not help, stop and try something different. So here are 3 things you can do today. Pick one small task. Try one AI tool. Check the result and see if it actually helps you. That is all you need to do. AI does not need to make business more complicated. Used properly, it should make business simpler. Start small. Keep it simple. Build your confidence. And always remember, AI is a tool, not your boss. You stay in control.